Hello everyone. So as we did lesson number 4 of science, right? And today we will do the question answers, right? Whatever the question answers we are going to do, we will do it in the classwork copy. Just take out the page number 31. See, the fill in the blanks is given there. Fill in the blanks with the word given below. And the words, they are 6 sphinx, fish and elephant, right? And the first question is, bird have wings to fly. The first answer is wings. The second one, and dash is a big animal. An elephant is a big animal. Insect have 6 legs. Dash lives in water. Fish lives in water, right? This you will do it in the classwork copy. Okay? Now just see the second one. Give 2 examples for the each of the following, right? Big animals. So in the big animal, you will write giraffe and elephant. Even this in the classwork copy, right? Now see the second one, water animal. Water animals. And the answer is fish and octopus. Fish and octopus. Now just see the third one. The third one is land and water animals. Land and water animal. The animal which lives in land and water too. You have to write the name of that animals. Okay? And the animals of land and water are frog and crocodile. Now see the fourth one. Now see the fourth one. The fourth one is tree animals. The animal which lives in a tree, that is monkey and a bird. Monkey and a bird. Okay? Just jot it down from the board, and this and even this, the fill in the blanks, this both I want in the classwork copy, right? You will write, you will jot it down in the classwork copy. ये दोनों आप classwork copy में करोगे. Now just see the third one. Pause. Now see the match the pair. The match the following you will do it in this book only. The first one is big animal. The first answer is C. Match the pair. First answer is C. I am talking about the match the pair. You will do it in the classwork. I'm sorry. You will do it in the textbook only. First answer I am writing, that is C, the lion. Okay. Small animal, that is D1. Which animal is there in D? That is cat. See the third one, bird. And the answer is E. Fourth, insect, the answer is B. Fifth, water animal, the answer is A. Right? This is the match the following answer I had given, and this you will do it in this book only. Now, just see the second one. D1, the question 33. This you will do it in the classwork copy. The D1 is, who am I? Right? Who am I? First, I live in water. Answer is fish. I live in water. Answer is fish. Second, I live on land and in water. I live on land and in water. The answer is crocodile. The third one. I have a long neck. I have a long neck. The answer is giraffe. Okay? Giraffe. Now, this also, who am I? You will write it in the classwork copy, right? You will write it in the classwork copy. So, now, what thing you will do in the starting? You will stick, wait a minute. I forgot to tell you that first you have to stick the picture of domestic animals. Second, stick the picture of वाइल्ड एनिमल. आपको ये पहले चिपकाना है और उसके बाद आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करना है. ओके, फर्स्ट यू विल स्टिक द पिक्चर ऑफ डोमेस्टिक एनिमल एंड देन यू विल स्टिक द पिक्चर ऑफ वाइल्ड एनिमल्स, राइट? एंड द थर्ड यू विल स्टिक द पिक्चर ऑफ एक्वेटिक एनिमल. Take the picture of aquatic animals. Okay, you will stick the picture of aquatic animals. Aquatic animals. The animals which lives in water. पहले स्टार्टिंग में क्या करना है? You have to stick the picture of domestic animal. You have to stick the picture of wild animal, and then you have to stick the picture of aquatic animal. Domestic matlab like cat, dog, and the wild lion, tiger, they are counted in the wild. And aquatic animal like fish, frog. Okay, this picture you will stick it first और उसके बाद आप start करोगे the question answer which is there in the book, and that you will jot it for the class work. Okay, but only the match the pair वो आप नहीं करोगे class work में, वो आप टेक्स्ट बुक में ही करोगे. ठीक है? I hope you have understood. Till then, bye bye. See you. Take care.